for chapter similarity. Today we have to learn the practice set 1.2 depend upon the theorem of BPT, basic proportionality theorem, theorem of angle bisector of triangle theorem, theorem of three parallel line and their transversal. Practice set 1.2. Given below, first problem in a practice set 1.2. Given below, some triangle and length of line segment. Identify in which figure ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. In triangle PQR, ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. To identify, here in a triangle PQR, ray PM is the angle bisector of angle QPR. By using angle bisector theorem, the converse of angle bisector theorem is the ratio of remaining side PQ as PR. This PQ and remaining side is a PR. Ratio of it PQ as PR is equal to 7/3. Equation number 1. Similarly, the ray PM bisect angle QPR and the opposite side QR divided into two parts. Their ratio is QM as MR. Here QM as MR is equal to 3.5 upon 1.5. At numerator and denominator having decimal point precede one digit, then decimal point get cancelled. 35/15. Here is a 5 3 is a 15 and 5 7 is a 35. Then we get equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, the ratio is equal 7 as 3. PQ as PR is equal to 7 as 3 and QM as MR is equal to 7 as 3. Then by using converse from equation 1 and 2, PQ as PR is equal to QM as MR. By using converse of angle bisector of triangle, when these two ratios are same or equal, then converse of angle bisector of triangle is ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Hence it is a proof. Second problem is a ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. In triangle PRQ, in this triangle, ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. In a triangle PQR, the ratio of remaining side PQ as PR, PQ as PR is equal to 10/7. Equation number 1. Similarly, the ratio of QM as MR, QM as MR is equal to 8 as 6. Divide by 2, 8 and 6, then 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, then 4 as 3, then you get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, the ratio are not same. Therefore, PQ as PR not is equal to QM as MR. Therefore, ray PM is not the bisector of angle QPR. Second problem, in a triangle ABC, DE is a parallel BC if DB is equal to 5.4 centimeter, AD is equal to 1.8 centimeter, AC is equal to 7.2 centimeter, then find AE. In this triangle ABC, here DE is a parallel to side of triangle BC and BD is a given. BD is equal to 5.4, AD is equal to 1.8 centimeter, AC is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Then find AE. In a triangle ABC, त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये DE is a parallel to BC. DE त्रिकोणाच्या एका बाजूला समांतर आहे BC ला. Then by using BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, in a triangle, a line is a parallel to side of triangle and intersect to distinct point. The line is proportion to the side. AD as DB is equal to AE as EC. Here AD as DB is equal to AE as EC. To put the value, DB is equal to 5.4 centimeter, AD is equal to 1.8 centimeter, and EC is equal to 7.2 centimeter in this proportion. Then AD is equal to 1.8 upon BD is equal to 5.4 is equal to AE to find out 7.2. Here cross multiplication, AE multiply to 5.4 is equal to 1.8 multiply 7.2. Hence 5.4 goes on the next side, then we get divide. A is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 divide 5.4. Here 1.8 and 5.4 decimal point precede one digit, decimal point get cancel of 18 and 54. Then we get 18 into 7.2 upon 54. 18 and 54 divide by 18 to 54. 18 3s are 54. Then we get 1 into 7.3 upon 3. 7.2 into 1 is a 7.2 divided by 3. Then we get 2.4 is the length of AE. A is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Third problem in practice set 1.2. In a triangle PQR, PM is equal to 15, PQ is equal to 25, PR is equal to 20, NR is equal to 8. State whether line NM is parallel to side RQ. Give reason. In a triangle PQR, in this triangle PM is the given 15, PQ is equal to 25, PR is equal to 20, and NR is equal to 8. State whether line NM is a parallel to QR. या उदाहरणामध्ये त्रिकोण PQR दिलेला आहे आणि NM ही बाजू QR ला समांतर आहे का हे आपल्याला कारणासहित सिद्ध करायचं आहे. या ठिकाणी PM ची किंमत दिलेली आहे 15 आणि PQ ची किंमत दिलेली आहे 25. त्यावरून QM काढायचा आहे. PR is equal to 20 दिलेला आहे, NR is equal to 8 दिलेला आहे, त्यावरून PM काढा. ठीक आहे. In a triangle PQR, PQ is equal to sum of PM and MQ. Therefore, PQ is equal to PM plus MQ. To put the value, PQ is equal to 25 is equal to PM is equal to 15 plus MQ. To find the value of MQ, this 15 goes on this side, we get minus. Then MQ is equal to 25 minus 15 is equal to 10. Here PM is equal to 15 and QM is equal to 10 we get. Similarly, to find PN, we know that PR is the sum of PN plus NR. Put the value, PR is equal to 20 is equal to find the PN plus NR is given 8. 20 is equal to PN plus 8. 8 goes on this side, we get minus. Then PN is equal to 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. We know PN is equal to 12 and NR is equal to 8. By using converse of BPT theorem. When the ratio of Pn as Nr and Pm as Mq is the same, when you conclude. Then Pn as Nr, first to find the ratio, Pn as Nr, 12 upon 8, 4 divide to 12 and 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 2 are 8. Then we get equation number 1, Pn as Nr is equal to 3 by 2. Similarly, to find the ratio Pm as Mq, then 15 upon 10 is equal to divide 5 by 2, 15 and 10, 5 3 are 15 and 5 2 are 10, then we get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, then we get Pn as Nr is equal to Pm as Mq. Hence, this ratio of Pn as Nr is the same as Pm as Mq. By using converse of BPT theorem, the line NM is a parallel to side RQ. Hence, it is a proof.
झालं सर.
332 MB होती स्टार्ट झालं तेव्हा.
Next problem. In a triangle MNP, NQ is bisector of angle N. If Mn is equal to phi,